Hey, what's up, folks? This is Iceman. I have been gone for a while. RC in the Hood took a break. I moved to Pennsylvania last year and packed up all my RC stuff. And finally, last night, hooked up all my stuff back up and got my cars and my shelves back up. Put everything out. So I'm coming up with some new ideas this year, starting next month. Trying to get sponsors and all that kind of stuff, and we're going to try to do a bi-weekly or maybe twice a month of RC in the Hood again like we did before. This time I'm going to do more kits and things of that nature. Look out for me, 2012. I got a partner that's going to hopefully, if things go smooth, going to be working with me to do the reviews and things of that nature. Again, thanks for your support. I still have been getting some good comments on the videos that I posted last year. Thank you guys for supporting me. I'm going to be doing some runs on my Hyper 9E and some of the other stuff that I've gotten since then. Um, thanks again. Peace. Have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you in the hood. Iceman out.